Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my finished jewelry for the Peach Sorbet Bargain Bead Box collection for August of 2024. That was a really fun box. I had 2 tutorials out of it, and I made 2 necklaces, a pair of earrings, and a memory wire bracelet, and then a regular wrap bracelet. So I wanted to share them all with you. I do have a coupon code for Bargain Bead Box, BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The monthly boxes are $22.99 a month. This one was valued at over $80. So it's a really great deal. So this was the first tutorial that I made, and I loved the shell beads and the quartz beads, and I had so much fun with this. What I did do though, I took some of my little 8-0 seed beads and I put them there because I wanted to extend that green color up here to go with the leaves. So we didn't really get too much green in there, so I wanted to just have a little bit up here at the top, just as like a little addition. And then I have these cute little earrings that I made to go with it. And I loved these little shell connectors. These were so much fun. I just had my own ear wires that I used, my little gold ear wires. And then I used the lobster clasp that they gave us and the crimp covers and the crimp beads. And one thing that I did with this box too, because they gave us so many crimp beads, I used the crimp beads as spacer beads because they're a really pretty color. And so yeah, so I just did like little sections of them in between, and I like the way that turned out. And then I did a cute little this cute little leaf charm for at the top for a little boho look to it to kind of connect this over to this. So this is my first one. I'll put this over here, and then I used the Coriana chain. That was so much fun to work with. And I have a tutorial for this, and this was really easy to make. I'm sitting here and I'm going, what do I want to do with this Coriana chain? And then I decided I took the crimp beads and I crimped them to put little spacers in between here. So I had like little sections here, and I made this like long layering necklace out of it. And then I just used the lobster clasp and the crimp beads in there and the crimp covers, and then I did this gorgeous pendant that went with it. And then after I got done with this, I have to show you this. Let me lay this down right. After I did all this, then I hung them up on my the form that I have afterwards, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like a really cute layering layered necklace set. And I was like, oh, I really like this. So yeah, so this, I didn't plan this, but then after I got it all done, I was like, oh, I like the way this looks. So yeah, so I thought this was fun. And then this was, yeah, this was really easy. Like I said, I just took right down here and I just crimped the beads, and I wanted to have and I just, the beads had a bigger hole, so they were able to fit on the chain. So I didn't have to, like, you know, I just cut one long piece of chain. So if you watch the video, I will leave these two links to these two tutorials below. And then I made this gorgeous memory wire bracelet. And I did, I put the same green seed beads on it, and then my little gold 11 Miyuki seed beads, and then I did some of the, let me see, I can't remember if, oh yeah, I did. I used, I think I used the crimp beads on some of these. I can't remember. But yeah, so I did this, and then I used up the charms, and then I did some of my 80 blue seed beads because I wanted to add, of course, add a little bit of different color to it, you know. And then I did these little double charms here, and then these gorgeous little pieces right here. I loved these, and these chip beads were so much fun to work with. I usually don't like go out of my way to buy those kind of beads, but these were nice because they were bigger. And sometimes when you buy chip beads, if they're smaller, they're like kind of they're so cracked that you put them on and then the holes break. So these were very well made beads. So yeah, so I had, and then of course I like to put my seed beads on my jump rings because I think it kind of dresses up the jump rings. So yeah, so I did this. And then last but not least, I just made a fun little wrap bracelet, and you could probably wear this as a necklace if you wanted to too. But and I used my gold seed beads, the 11 O's, and then I used the green 8 O's and put the 11 O's in between it, and just did like an eclectic 3-wrap bracelet. And then I put the little leaves, I kind of spread them out differently so I knew, you know, how they would be laying and stuff. So I tried it on as I was making it to make sure that, get this laying right, so that I knew that the leaves wouldn't be right next to each other, so they would kind of have a mixture. But yeah, I love the way this one turned out too. It's kind of just a feminine little piece of jewelry. So, yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys did with your bargain bead box this month, what you thought of it. I was really happy with this. So, yeah, so I have this. I mean, you got to admit, for $22.99, I had made all this, and then I still have, let me see here. I still have all these beads left in here. I mean, so I probably have enough to make another bracelet if I want. So I always keep them in the same bag and I put the piece of paper with what was in them and stuff. So I have them from over the years. They're sitting in one of these racks that I have. So, yeah, so these are my pieces. And I hope you enjoyed the 2 tutorials. Like I said, I'm leaving them below so you can see them. And yeah, definitely give me a shout out and let me know what you did with all your stuff. So thank you so much for watching. And like I said, BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link to theirs below, their website below, along with the link to all of my social media. And I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my next video. I know you will love it, and I will see you on my next one. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.